Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the channel, and Happy New Year. It's New Year's Day. We've come down to Guadalmar. We're going to watch the sunrise. It's about 8:15 at the moment. It's 9 degrees, and then we're going to get some breakfast. So I'd just also like to take this opportunity to say thank you for everyone that subscribed to the channel this year. Thank you to all those that watched the video. We're going to take a break for a couple of weeks. We've been busy in the restaurant doing the chef part of Chef on Two Wheels, so we've not had much chance to get out and do any riding, and the weather's been pretty bad as well here. But again, thank you very much for watching the videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again very shortly.